Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW X1 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. You can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu, so let's wake it up again, press and hold on the current watch face, and after a couple of seconds the watch face menu should open, and you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change this through the settings, so we can press the side button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. You can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, then tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called dial, and once you find it, tap on it, and it will open the list of watch faces. You can find the watch face you would like to use, tap on it to select it, and apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.